In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Messenger is not working on Android. This can happen due to app glitches or server issues. So let's go through a few simple fixes. Before you start, make sure your internet connection is stable and try restarting your phone. This often fixes small temporary bugs. First, update the Messenger app. Open Google Play Store, search for Messenger, and check if an update is available. If it is, tap Update and wait for it to install. Next, clear Messenger cache. Go to your phone settings, then Apps or App Management. Find Messenger from the list. Tap on it. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. These steps usually fix most issues when Messenger isn't working properly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.